Welcome guys to another video. So today I will be showing you how to make your own thumbnail and put this on your own video. So I have many awesome videos. That was best. But I have many awesome videos made for you guys, and this is the test video. That will be the test video. I will adding the thumbnail on this video. So let's get started. So first up, you need to download photo editor. You can simply search photo editor, or I will give you in the description. So it will be need to take some time, and you need to scroll down and click this same app and install it, or I will give in the description. So you need to open that and click new, or else you can change the colors. I'll simply go for white. So if you want to add images and add text, you need to go at text/image, but your standing line will be here. You need to swipe your fingers onto the left side and click text/images. So I will just write how to reset. There is our text, and with this restart button you can also rotate the text. I will apply it here. So all objects will be merged into an image. Once applied, you cannot edit individual objects. Would you like to apply? I will say do not show again. So I will just apply it. Now I need a reset picture to add the photo. So once you have your text done, you need to go on Chrome. Then you need to search. Reset. Then you need to search reset. Now you need to go on images. Here you can find reset images. I will go for this one. Now you need to hold the image. Then you need to click download image. Then reset PNG is done. So now we can go on to photo editor again, and we can go text/image and click the photo icon, click the photos, and if you have most of the pictures on gallery, just do this. I will go for just once. There is your downloads. There is the download. I will go for the reset. Now put this on here. Now I will apply it. So now I need to save it on gallery. The image has been saved successfully. So we have our image done. So now we will put this on my video. So first step, you need to go on Chrome. Next step, you need to search www.youtube.com. Wow, I am in here. This is the wrong one. www dot no, I will search in here. www dot youtube.com. Now I need to click search. So now you can see all of the famous videos. So I will click my channel. I will type my channel. My channel name is Abdullah Nahian. That's my real name, but one hidden name is on my name. So let's go to my channel. Now let's turn on desktop site. I'm already on desktop site, but I will do that again. First up, you need to on the desktop site. Now it will take some time. Next up, you need to click customize channel. Next up, you need to click on video manager. Yes, in here on video manager. So it will take you on studio.youtube.com. Now you need to wait. Whoa, this is taking too much time now. Okay, it is coming out. Yes, as you can see, you can find my all videos. So once you have this, I can't say anything. Once you have this side, you need to click on the title. I just need to apply the video. So if I want to apply the video, I need to click the title. I just want to apply test one, so I need to click on the title. As you can see, there is my title. So there is the description. You can change the description like hello. You can change this to hello, or you can change this to hello, or you can add tags. You can add tags too, like I'll say hashtag test. You can go hashtag test, and you need to click a white place that says custom thumbnail 2 MB or less. You need to click on that. So as you can see, in the top left hand corner it says select an image. So these are our image, but this is not the image we want. So I need to click on browse, and then I need to click on just once. You can add always as well. Now you need to go on photo editor. So here you can see there is my thumbnail I made. Now I need to click that. As you can see, my thumbnail has changed. Now I will click save. Once you click save, you need to go back on YouTube and see all works well. Oh, I need to do this. Like I need to go on YouTube. Now I need to go on my videos. Now we wait. As you can see, there is our thumbnail. Nice. I add this on Android. I didn't add anything special. So, as you can see, I didn't add any PC editings. So, if you want to watch my previous video, I will give you in the description. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. If you enjoy, smash that like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications to never miss an upload. And I will see you guys soon in the next video. Bye!